In the figure below, if L and K are parallel lines, what is the value of x plus y? Make sure you notice that it's the sum of x and y. Okay, so when we look at one given angle here, 131 degrees, we can determine x. And then knowing that L and K are parallel, our alternate interior angle theorem says that x and y are congruent. So if 131 is x, then 131, let's write it this way, 131 plus x is equal to 180. Okay, we've got a straight angle here. These two angles are a linear pair that make up a straight angle. So if I subtract 131 from each side, I get x is equal to 49 degrees. So if x is equal to 49, x and y are equal. So x plus y is, we have 49 plus 49, which is equal to, what, 98? Okay, and that would be C. And then some people also had trouble with number 19. If segment AC, or I guess that's supposed to be line AC, or okay, we got a segment AC parallel to segment DF, what is the measure in degrees of angle ABD? Okay, this angle right here. When we look at this angle, it's 118 degrees. This here is a transversal. We've got a transversal here. So these two angles together make up the alternate interior angles that are congruent. Our alternate interior angle theorem says that alternate interior angles are congruent when a transversal goes through parallel lines. So this angle together, these two angles together are 118, and we see that this is a right angle. So we take 118 minus 90, and we get, what, 28? 28 degrees. So the measure of angle ABD is 28 degrees. Okay, now let's look at number 23. Find the slope-intercept form of the line passing through the point 7, negative 2, and parallel to the line y is equal to negative 8x minus 4. So remember, we have this line, y is equal to negative 8x minus 4. Some line going through the y-intercept here at negative 4. And then we have the point 7, negative 2. And let's see, how can I get... let me pause this real quick. Okay, I'm back. So we have this line, y is equal to negative 8x minus 4. If I graph that line, my y-intercept's at negative 4, and my slope is at negative 8, or negative 8 over 1. And I can't go down 8 and 1 to the right, so I'll go up 8 and 1 to the left. Okay, and then notice I have my line here. I'll just start right here at this point. Okay, and what the problem is saying is that I want a line parallel to this line that goes through this point 7, negative 2. So if the line's going to be parallel, then it's going to have the same slope. Okay, so m is going to equal negative 8. And then I just need to find, if I'm going to have my line in slope-intercept form, I just need to find b, the y-intercept. So do like we did before. We'll take the general form of our equation, y is equal to mx plus b. And we'll plug in our y and x value and our slope and solve for b. So I'm going to put in negative 2 for y. I'm going to put in negative 8 for the slope and 7 for x. And I'm going to solve for b. So what I have here is I have negative 2 is equal to negative 56 plus b. I'm going to add 56 to each side to get b by itself, and that leaves me with 54. Okay, so that's my y-intercept. Now I have everything I need to write my equation. Y is equal to m, which is -8, and then x, and then my y-intercept is 54. So I have y is equal to 8x, or -8x, plus 54, which is C.